Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy RG. So we are here today on the 7th of January. We are here pouring the decking and we are using manual labor. So we are help out with family, you know. It's a family affair. We there go on and do we thing. So yeah, a lot of brothers, you can see a lot of car. A lot of brothers and sisters come out and help out with one another. Them say the love are diminishing in Jamaica, but love is still here. No pay. All of us are here helping out one another. Yes, so they are going. See how the man a push barrow. Dump him right there, so Giffy. Yeah. You must. That's Matthew. Giffy. Roadside with the same decking I'm showing when I steal up. See we there are poor, you know. Yeah. Brothers all both. Brothers and sisters, they are all both. There. Machine there. Concrete like trouble from board. See that? Man down there load up. You see it? This is one. Nice and make so you're not going to hear everything, but just watch, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and them things over there are going with. Food I cook same time, everything I do. That's Brother Archie. Huh? Yeah man, we are soon switch the road.
Maybe if you want to rinse off the blocks tonight, yeah? Yeah man, I told you because we'll get one.
Yes, so this is what we are going on with. In a JA, you know. Share we are share the love, you know. And I want to give a shout out to all my viewers and subscribers. Said I can't wish you a happy new year, but I'm wishing you a prosperous new year. So blessings for the new year, and hope most of all of your dreams and aspirations that you set out for the 2023 will come true. So yes, my viewers, they are going. Come in, Giffy. Drop him right, just come and dump him off there, so turn him sideways. Yeah. Come on. Alright, thank you.
Ready? Let's go.
That's Brother Baker, you see I put up the bucket there, so. No! The pipe! Yes, that's better.
I want to get them up.
Yes, my viewers, This is how far we reach from this morning.
So when are we going? Huh? I didn't know what happened.
I've over this left, quite a bit left. It's the next day journey.